Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar General haul. I bought some more nail polish. I love LaColors nail polishes and they're already affordable at $2.25 each, but Dollar General keeps having them on sale for 25% off, and they have so many pretty colors in the store right now. So first off, this was two separate trips. I just happened to be in there getting cat food, and I picked up this LaColors glow in the dark top coat for $2.25. And I have a plan for this. I'm going to do a full video on this, as well as comparisons to the other glow-in-the-dark polishes I have from LaColors. Yes, how exciting! I know, right? So, high hopes for that one. We're going to dive into that one. This one, I feel, is a sheer top coat, but it isn't labeled as that, as like the other polishes are sometimes. But look how gorgeous this purple is, and it has a pink shift to it. It's called Magical, and honestly, it really is. And it is sheer, like I said, so you can top it over things, but I believe I'm going to try to wear this built up. So really like layer on like maybe 3 coats to see where it is. You could put this over black, purple, pink, blue. It's stunningly gorgeous. And at some extreme angles, like right now, I can kind of see like a gold or an orangey type coppery flash, actually. Anyway, this is absolutely stunningly gorgeous. And then the last 3 that I got are cream polishes. This absolutely stunning orange, which is wristband. They had lots of neon colors. I don't know if this is like a new collection or just for the summer in the store. I'm not sure, but they had a ton of neon colors, and of course this was one of them. Super duper beautiful. Now I am actually wearing this one, so I have it faded on the ring and middle and pinky, and then the tiger is filled in with this orange. And this one is, I said this was a cream, but actually this is more of like a jelly formula. But look how beautiful. There will be a tutorial on the tiger nails. If it is up, it'll be in the description box and the cards linked. It most likely is, so it will be linked there. This beautiful teal blue, because it kind of borderlines that. It is called Rockin' It. And this is absolutely beautiful as well. I thought that this was actually very similar to Rio, or I believe the one in the Creamy Neons collection called like Kicking It or something, or Keep It Cool. Something like that. I thought it was very similar to those, but it is actually different, and it's its own color. Now I'm hoping by the time I post this, I've worn a couple more of these, so you can kind of see. But it is so pretty. The last one I did pick up is from the Creamy Neon collection. So this is a backup for one of my polishes. I love this green so much. It's such a beautiful creamy pastel neon green. And it's called Lucky. Now, my bottle of Lucky is literally like down here. I have loved it to death. Absolutely beautiful green. I just adore this color. I love green so very much. just as I see the creamy neons out in the wild, I'm going to pick up a few here and there because there are a couple other ones that I would like to replace in my collection and get a backup of for when I run out, because I love this collection so much. It's so beautiful, absolutely stunningly gorgeous pastel creamy neon collection. That's the last polish I picked up. Like I said, I got the glow in the dark at $2.25, and then the others were buy one get one 25% off. So not a bad deal, and LaColors polishes are pretty good. They all do say like gel on them. These are not gel, these are regular polishes, but they do self-level really good. They build up usually really well. They dry quickly. They last a while on the nails, depending on your prep. Like if you're wearing a base coat, and if you're top coating them, yeah, they will last a while on your nails. Yeah, don't sleep on LaColors nail polishes. But I hope you enjoyed today's haul. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos like these, as well as nail art using these polishes. I thank you so very much for watching.